Mycelium Wallet Crypto Review. Watch before using. Most cryptocurrency enthusiasts think all wallets are alike, but Mycelium offers advanced features that make it stand out for serious Bitcoin users. Mycelium is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet primarily focused on Bitcoin, offering secure storage, peer-to-peer transactions, and hardware wallet integration. One standout feature is its hierarchical deterministic HD wallet system, which generates unique addresses for every transaction to maximize privacy. Most people get this wrong. They assume mobile wallets are unsafe. The surprising truth is that Mycelium stores private keys locally on your device, not on a server, which reduces exposure to hacks. It also integrates with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, giving an extra layer of protection for larger holdings. Another advantage is flexibility. You can connect directly with local traders using the built-in marketplace, send and receive Bitcoin with QR codes, and set custom transaction fees for faster confirmations. The wallet also supports cold storage, allowing long-term holdings to remain offline while still being manageable. However, there are considerations. Mycelium's interface is geared toward experienced users. Beginners may find features like fee customization, seed phrases, and cold storage intimidating. Also, the wallet focuses on Bitcoin, so support for other cryptocurrencies is limited. In conclusion, Mycelium Wallet is a powerful tool for Bitcoin users who prioritize security, privacy, and advanced features. Beginners should take time to learn its interface, but for experienced users, it offers strong control over crypto assets. Subscribe for more honest crypto wallet reviews before you store your Bitcoin.